Hello on this dazzling day.
Welcome to the Coey Show.
Let's start with the Coey Creed. I expect greatness. I am unique and will be the best person I can be because I am a kid on wings. I was thinking, phew, we made it. For many, the regular school year is over. Give yourselves a round of applause. All those early mornings, all the learning, all that playing with our friends. It's been a busy time. Now, before we jump into summer fun, there's a special word I want us to think about, and that is reflect. Can you say that with me? Reflect. It's like looking in a mirror, but instead of seeing our face, we're looking at our school year. What did we learn? Maybe you finally mastered that tricky math problem, wrote an amazing story, or learned how to be a good friend. What about the things that were a little tough? Did you try something new? Even if you were nervous about it? Did you keep going when you felt like giving up? Did you make mistakes? When we reflect, we remember the good, the bad, and all the ways we grew. This helps us get ready for what's next, so we can move forward. Take a moment to reflect on what we have learned. Then move forward. Get ready for a safe, incredible summer! I've enjoyed our time together. Before you go, remember this. The world is like a puzzle, and you are the piece that helps make the puzzle complete. Spread your wings and fly by being the best person you can be.